Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is class 10th and we are discussing this arithmetic AP, arithmetic progression. Now some more questions. Let me repeat, what is AP? AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding the preceding term a fixed number, and that fixed term is called the common difference. And the general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. This is an AP. Now we have attempted questions up to 5 of the exercise. Now question number 6 readers, check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. AP is given 11, it is then 8, 5, 2, so on. This is an AP. Now you see the common difference is same throughout. 8 minus 11 is minus 3, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So when common difference is same, it is said to be an AP. Now you have to check whether minus 150 is a term in this AP, or which term is this one, minus 150. Now here we go. Here A is equal to 11. A is the first term. And what is D? D is 8 minus 11. Second term minus first term, that is minus 3. Now let us check whether this is a term. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is equivalent to minus 150. So A, what is A here? A is 11 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3 is equivalent to minus 150. So this is N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150 minus 11. So N minus 1 into minus 3 is equivalent, this is 161 minus 161. So N minus 1 is equivalent to minus 161 divided by minus 3. Minus and minus will go. So N minus 1 is equal to 161 divided by 3. So what is N? N is equivalent to 161 divided by 3 plus 1 by cross. So N is equal to 161 plus 3 divided by 3. So this is 164 divided by 3. Now this 164 divided by 3, this is not a natural number. So this cannot be the term of an AP. So minus 150 cannot be a term in this AP. So we check that minus 150 is not any term in this AP. Now proceeding further, now see, find 31st term of an AP. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is equivalent to 38 and 16th term A16 is equivalent to 73. Now 11th term, we have to find the 31st term. Now 11th term is given and 16th term is given. What is 11th term? A11 is equal to 38. What is 11th term? It is A plus 10D is equivalent to 38. What is 16th term? It is obviously A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now elimination method we can apply here. Subtracting. This will become minus minus minus. Cancel. Minus 5D is equal to, out of 73 you subtract this 38, this 5, this 3, minus 35, and minus get cancelled. 5D is equivalent to 35. What is D? D is 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So D is equivalent to 7. Now we need to find A. Once you know A and D, you can construct any, you can find any term of an AP. So substituting or putting the value of D in equation first. So what is equation first? It is A plus 10D. Now D is 7 is equal to 38. So A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38. What is A? A is equal to 38 minus 70. So A is here equivalent to 32 minus 32. This is our A. A is minus 32 and D is 7. Now you have to find 31st term. 31st term. What is 31st term? It is A plus 30D. 31st term is equivalent to A plus 30D. So what is A here? It is minus 32 plus 30 into D. What is D? It is 7. So this is minus 32 plus 210. 7 3 are 21. So 210. Now subtract by 32 out of this 210, we are left with 210 minus 32, 871. So this is 178. This is the 31st term is therefore 178. Similarly, you can also solve all these questions. Question number 8 reads, an AP consists of 50 terms and the third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Now there are 50 terms. What is the last term? Obviously it is 50th term. 50th term is equivalent 106. Now see, AP consists of 50th terms, 50 terms, third term, that is A3 is equivalent to this 12 and last term. When there are 50 terms in an AP, obviously what is the last term? It is 50th term. So A50, this is equivalent to 106. Now third term is A plus 2D. Obviously you know it. A plus 2D is equal to 12. And 50th term is A plus 49D is equal to 106. It's so simple. Third term is A plus 2D. And 50th term is A plus 49. You will subtract subtract 1. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. And A plus 49D is equal to 106. Now solving this pair of linear equation, this equation first and this equation second, subtracting. Subtract, this will become minus, 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 and this will go. So this minus 47D is equivalent, this 4, it's 94, minus 194, minus and minus will go, D is equal to 94 divided by 47, 1s are, 2s are. So D is equivalent to 2. Now putting the value of D in equation first, this A plus 2D, 2 into 2 is equal to 12. So A plus 4 is equal to 12. What is A? It is 12 minus 4. A is equivalent to 8. Now you know what is D, what is 8. What is A? First term and the common difference you know. Now you can find any terms. You have to find 29th term. You have to find this A29, that is A plus 28D. 29th term is A plus 28D. So what is A? It is 8 plus 28 into D. What is D? It is 2. This is 8 plus 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 64. So 64 is the 29th term. Now question number 9 reads, if third and 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term is 0? Now you have to check which term is 0. Now see third and ninth term. Third is a3, this is equivalent to 4, and ninth term is a9 is equal to minus 8. Third term, you know, this is a plus 2d is equal to 4, and ninth term is a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. This is equation number first and this is equation number second. Now subtracting, eliminating the similar coefficients, this is minus 6d is equivalent to, sorry, this plus, this is 12. What is d? It is 12 by minus 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are, so d is equal to minus 2. This is our d, d is minus 2. Now putting the value of d in equation first. So what is our equation first? This is a plus 2 into d is minus 2 is equal to 4. So a minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. What is a? A is equal to 8. Now we know a and d. Now we have to find which term is 0. Let a n is equal to 0. What is a n? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2 is equivalent to 0. So you can write here n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. What is n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2, 2 4s are, minus and minus will go. N minus 1 is equal to 4. What is n? Is 4 plus 1. So n is equal to 5. Therefore, fifth term of this AP is 0. Similarly, question number 10. 17th term of an exceeds 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. This is so simple. It's very easy. Now see what 17th term of an AB exceeds 10th term. 17th term is equal to exceeds 10th term by 7. Exceeds 10th term by 7. That is 17th term is equal to 10th term plus 7. Exceeds 10th term by 7. That is 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. So what is 17th term? This is a plus 16d is equal to a plus 9d plus 7. So a and a get cancelled. So 16d is equal to 9d plus 7. So 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. This is 7d is equal to 7. What is d? d is equal to 7 by 7. 7 ones are. So d is equal to 1. So this was your requirement of what is the common difference. So common difference is here 1. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall discuss further questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.